Okay, we had a blast. We're headed back now. We're headed back a different way. So,
if JoJo was older, we'd be there longer, but first off, I'm not carrying a baby on my arms for a whole trail. There's a long trail there. You could be there all day if you want. And you want to come when there's no mosquitoes, because last time we did come here and we were going to go through the trail, I think the biggest obstacle was a lot of mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are going to be dangerous this year because mosquitoes might be carrying the coronavirus.
yeah, that is the unknown part. That's the unknown part of the investigation.
Have a lot of mosquito repellent on you this year.
And this disease is very, 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 very strong.
Oh, that looks cool.
Oh, look at that. There's another trail.
And you're not recording it.
Wow.
Trails go this way too.
It's
So
a
trails
town.
go both directions.
Yeah, I saw that last time.
And this one would be a nice one to walk through because you got that canal.
Wow, I didn't know they have this.
Well, next time we come, we can show them that trail there.
Yeah.
And that trail doesn't go that far.
It's hard to see,
Look,
but
that trail only goes as far as, never mind, it goes further than this.
next time we show you guys the trails. Yeah.
Well, we're gonna have to have your parents watch the kids at that falls while we do the trails, because it can't be, taking. Well, maybe Scylla can go. Scylla can handle it, but the baby, your parents are gonna have to watch the baby. Yeah, you can go with us, but the baby can't go with us on these trails. He's gonna need to be a babysitter for now. Until he's at least 5 or 6. Yeah, because I think
turn off, okay?
Yeah.
There.
But be careful, Mama. Because the hail is coming up.
I'm not looking down because I'm scared.
Yeah, she doesn't want to look behind her. Because we're at it now. Okay. Oh, that's how scary that is.
Oh!
Recording itself? How scary it is?
Turn it off.
Trees. I saw trees from me. See? They're going back. Houses are farm. This is a farm. That's a farm. I wonder where that is. Mama, hi, hi.
Look at this. It looks so yummy.
Hi.
Swim.
Oh. Here.
It's a river.
You're done, Tom?
Huh?
You're done? In the baby?
No. Few more the baby. Until baby, hold this. Diba?
But my where's Dad, where are you going? Again?
We're driving.
Where are you going?
Going home.
No,
We're not going anywhere, so just driving.
you are going somewhere.
We're driving.
We're going to the falls.
It's the falls. We're not going.
Yes, we are.
It's probably gonna be closed.
Mama, I'm done making a video.
This is a river down there. I think this river leads to the waterfall, isn't it?
I believe so. It's the same river that
It's an
connects
old
the falls.
church here.
Looks like a barn to me.
Gone.
Where'd the river go? I think we drove over the river.
Over
maybe.
there, that way. Can you hold it? Shall I? No mind. Shall I?
Well, on your side. until we fix the falls. Which I don't know because when we left, oh yeah, we stopped for that falls. The way we were going, we came all the way here. And we didn't want to go forever.
Alright, guys? What did you say, Daddy?
Last time we were there, we didn't go too far because of the bugs. We didn't even go this far. It was a pretty far walk. The part we didn't do. Yeah, it's better going that way. This is for walking. You can look. The Erie Canal. I'm just kidding, it's just a river. Talk to them, Paul. Talk to them. I'm way over here.
Good
I
job.
want you to talk to them.
Good job. Is it cold? No?
They like it when you talk to them on the river and talk. They want to hear you.
Yeah, we just found a canal here. I don't know if it's a canal or a river. It looks like a canal to me. Look.
It's like a creek.
It looks like a creek, but it's this tree here. It looks nice. It's
Looks
like
a nice place to cross.
fall down on the on a creek. I don't think the boat could go through that.
I think it flew that way. I don't think it fell.
I think it fell. Or you can cross, you know, you can
Cross it, yeah.
cross over to the other side.
I had no idea that this road was like a gravel road. I thought it would be like a sidewalk.
Sidewalk.
It's a lot harder to pull this on gravel than it is on a sidewalk.
Yeah.
But much easier than if we had the stroller. If we had the stroller, this would be weird.
There's
So
a
it's a
small
smaller
bridge
wheel.
coming up that we could cross to the other side.
The building, that's where we're going, and then we'll go back. Look at the building.
So we on the bridge now. Crossing the bridge. Today is a really nice day.
There's a waterfall.
And now it's like almost night, so it's kind of getting a little chill.
Hey, look, there's an island. We're on an island. Look, this is an island.
There's a beautiful bridge up there.
Birds.
Geese. We found some geese in a pound here.
Look at that, Pop.
What's that?
Well, first off, we're on a waterfall. But secondly, there's a wheel.
You don't want to go too close.
Yeah, you don't want to drop it.
I want to draw my GoPro. It's very expensive. It's a nice place to walk around. It's not like for today. We do this for you guys. So like cover your head. There's a jacket over here.
Hey guys, it says welcome to Boonville here. It's an old building. The kids are gonna stay here at Mama. Walter Furman, Boonville. I actually have no idea what this old building was. Kind of looks like a boat in that picture, a big boat on a river. Well, when you go in the building, you are welcome to another river. Some kind of water here. As soon as you go in, I don't know. I'm guessing there was some basement here, and when they took the building apart, water filled in. That is very interesting. Mercantile. Maybe a representation of what this town used to be like when they first settled here. And God knows what year. This here was the main entrance. Where we were earlier was like a side door. Here's the main entrance here. There's a step in. So maybe they had to step down when they went in here.
I think it's the building.
There's some rooms over there we might not be able to get to. I'm gonna take a look. So, I don't know what this was. I don't know if cars could come in here. This is, they stopped this. We got something here.
Probably filled up with the water now.
I'm not no technician or architect or anything, but see, those rooms there are filled with water. And I'm sure you could explore this if you got the right water boots. I have them at home. Ah, look at this. We do have a room we can go in and take a look in over here. Make sure there's no wildlife. There might be, of course there's wildlife in here, but nothing big. Some sleds. So this was all one room. This must have been, like, if this was a store, this here was the back room. Employees only.
It looks like somebody lived here.
No one lived here. This was probably the room for the office or the employees only room, the storage room. If this was like a store, this probably was. And well, we saw this building on our drive home. We've been to this Boonville plenty of times, on the park right across the street there. But we never actually, saw this building.
Yeah, let me take it off.
We've always saw the bridge.
Let me take it off for you.
And well, driving home today, we thought we might want to show you guys something cool in Boonville. There's probably other, decent things, but I think this is the coolest thing in Boonville right here, if I had to guess, because this is pretty cool. An old building, torn down, mostly, half torn down or somewhat torn down. I haven't seen the whole thing. Turned into a water source of something. So, are you done? He's taking his socks off. Make sure he doesn't throw his socks off onto the ground. So we know how he gets. He likes to just throw things. No one's looking. I'm gonna throw my sock.
In the trash.
Well, there he goes. He's got it out. Okay, you got 2 socks off. He's laughing. He heard you laugh. Now look at his face. Look at his face. He's hiding from you. He's laughing. We know what you're planning. Watch him. He's gonna throw those socks off. Stand behind us, Pop. Make sure you don't throw the socks off. Come on. There's a birdhouse. There's a birdhouse down there.
Yeah.
There's a birdhouse right here.
Uh-huh.
There might be other cool stuff down the trail that way.
Yeah.
So he's eating his sock. Don't touch him.
Yeah.
More birds there. Oh, there's a little baby. Far away. Yeah, back to the...
No? Oh, it's got a little sand beach down there.
Yeah, like a sand.
Pretty cool.
Someone went fishing here and got their hook stuck on the wire. Might be a good place to go fishing. I guess even in summer there's fishing.
So not a lot of fish. It doesn't look like there's a lot of fish here.
The wire.
Right there.
The
See
bobber?
The ball there,
Bobber?
hanging.
It's a ball.
Hi, Fujizo. Fujizo's so happy.
The bobber moves, then you know that there's a fish. you throw a sock out?
That.
I only see one sock.
I don't know. Maybe he did.
There's one sock.
What's the other one, honey?
Oh, there's two. Here, hold these. So he don't.
Yeah, the baby is this very smart baby. He's trying to take off his socks and just throw it out. He smile over there. When as I said them, he started to smile. Yeah, we're headed back right now. We're headed back. It's been a nice day. Listen, the coat is hanging on the floor. Sella's coat. He has all the wagon on to himself. So happy. Look, I can say whatever way I want to say it.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. See you guys later. Stay tuned for more videos.
It's nice seeing you guys.
Hope you like the waterfalls.
Show Jojo. Show Jojo. Bye.
See, he got all excited.
She's so funny, baby.